Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure that you're subscribed so you can get more videos from me. And if you're a subscriber and you're just coming back to watch my video, thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and share this video. So today I'm gonna be making African print pillowcase for my old pillows that I'm trying to transform. So stay tuned and watch. So today we're gonna be making African print pillowcases. So I have these old pillows that I'm using. As you can see, it's ripped, so I'm trying to restore it to a good health. And this one too, it's ripped. This is the only good one, but I'm still going to get a cover for it. So the material I'm using is two fabrics. I have this color. This one I'll use it for these two, and then I have this material and this print for this small one. And the other stuff you'll need is a measurement tool and a scissor and some notes to take measurements of the pillow so you know how much to cut on your fabric, and also a sewing machine, of course. Side. This is one side, and then this the other side. So here we're gonna okay, so because you don't have enough room for it to breathe. Cute. Flip it over. For the video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below which pillow is your favorite one. This one is my favorite. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.